can talk about Xhosa people. I really can. I can, and I will speak about them because they rudenism. Like, as how you'll see them, they're gonna start spamming, speaking in Xhosa right now. Watch.
Beduna is serious lento. Masizumzekelo ngoyi-1 umuntu. Even if you are not Xhosa, if you are against tribalism, report la account kaNakwida. On Instagram, on TikTok, YouTube channel lomntana. There's Facebook. Sizoya kuzo one by one. And if this girl continues, aye kula podcast yabo aphinda vula platform for amaXhosa anyeleke again. We are reporting la podcast yabo. We deserve a public apology from this girl. I don't care no, but it's not going to be sincere. Makasebenzise the same platforms she used to udelela. Understand? To apologize. And lo mntana sekuzumzekelo ngaye. Ndibona simbonisa uba singamageza kangakanani na. Sikrwada kangakanani na. Sifuna umprova right. Uthi hayi abaxoki. Sizanibonisa uba abakaxoki. Sikrwada asinamenazi. Sakubonisa.
Nakhuda uyonqena utshintsha shomo. Uyeke yonke lento yenzayo ukhangela uba akuzuthuleka na ebandleni. Nakhukhu chomi akho need wena Nakhuda. Yonke le ankhana uyenzayo akho need yayo chomi. Chomi wena xa uziphathela intshaba is unnecessary ku social media and ke ngoku awukho on phambi kwamehlo abantu. Amahlweni wabantu aya off kakubi girl. So yiyeke lento yenzayo chomi. Mna anangxaki now because anokwazi ixesha lakho but mandingalali kaloku for your page yam ithi Nakhuda. Ndiyavuka sengilana Nakhuda. Unakhuda amakari mfazi. Zama utshintsha indlela oyiyo. And kuzo zonke ezi video akho nomnye ngathi ukucala lakho chomi Nakhuda man. Akho khuna mathanda apha.
Because ain't no way you're gonna be touched and then create a whole TikTok about me mentioning your name on a podcast while your hand or your wife, whatever she is to you, has been talking about me, has been talking about my man, has been talking about my relationship, has been talking. And I kept quiet. I literally kept quiet. And he kept quiet. Bruce kept quiet. This and that. Your girl had the audacity to even be saying things like, why would you even cry for Bruce? Why would you even cry for Bruce? This and that. Now when I'm retaliating, you've been saying, wait, Nasima. Now it's a problem. When you started all of this, everything, and me and Bruce have been quiet. Yes, he responded on his podcast there by New Jane. But I think I did on open chat. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But I'm only responding now. Which is when you started diagnosing me, saying things like, she's not okay in the head. You're diagnosing me with bipolar. Like, what the hell is wrong with you, girl? You can be sued for that. What gives you the right to be saying things like that? When I retaliate, it's a problem. Oh, Nakwida is crazy. Nakwida is crazy. Nakwida is obsessed with Seema. Da. You sit on that weak podcast and talk, and I'm obsessed with you? When I retaliate? When I retaliate and come back to you and say about me, I'm the one that's obsessed with you. When you start everything, girl, clearly I'm not the one who's obsessed with you. Trust me, because ain't no way. But anyway, I said what I said. You said what you said first, and we kept quiet. Yes, we responded here and there. Bro, that is whack. Now I'm the problem. When you started everything, it is so whack. You stoop low, girl. You stoop low. You always stoop low as well. But when I stoop low, it's a problem. Like, when I stoop low, it's a problem, but you always also stoop low. Like, nah, bruh. I'm not gonna take all of people are saying, no, you're obsessed with her. You're wrong, Nakwida, What has this girl has been saying about me on the internet? What has she been saying about me? What has she been saying about my boyfriend? Now, when I talk about her man, it's a problem. Conjani, bro. Conjani brew. Your hand started all of this. Your hand started all of this. And now y'all want to become saints and act like, oh no, but she's wrong. I'm not wrong. Your girlfriend started all of this, honestly. And if you want to take it however you want to take it, you should and you can. How my man also took it, how you took it. Honestly.
Yo. Hey man. Yazi into ebuhlungu yintoni? Into ebuhlungu into yoba mna andizibendithela into eninzi. Zathi phakama uhambe qha. Zawuthi phakama uhambe. Uve ujubalazi. Siqhela sizotsho zakho. Siqhela nakho into. Fokaza kule nto focus kuyo, uhlukane nento edibazana namaXhosa phakathi. Siqhela. Utheni ngoku? Utheni ngoku udinga into zothetha okanye ukwenza ngantoni? Susiphaphela. Sonqeni bendisunana nomntu. Uphuma kompo umlambo lo mamlambo guys. Ndimyeke ne. Okay. Ndimyekile yazi nje. Ndimyekile.
A very warm welcome to Ulwazi Nezindaba. So guys, kade vele sade ukuthi naQuida naSima banebeef yabo bobabili abavani nje zanhlobo bangimandi neoil. So because uSima ungumXhosa, unaQuida saw a very good opportunity for yena ukuthi ende live where she was addressing this matter, and in between kukhuluma kwakhe wakhuluma boldly so unprovoked wathi wena ebandfu bamaXhosa abanamamenase ene ngibantu labalihlata. And ebantfu labanyenti nje bavelile nembono wabo basho bathi cha lesandvo sakhe nje besingasisinhle ngalendlela lesimanga. She does not have any right whatsoever to generalize the situation yakhe naSima makathothi bonke labantu labamaXhosa abasikahle. And bashilo nje labanyenti bathi the least they could do kwanyalo is to try by all means kokuthi bamblock and report her accounts on social media platforms, and she owes them a serious apology for leyo nkulumo yakhe.
Hi guys, I just want to apologize to the whole Xhosa community. I feel like I should have just addressed one person and not the entire Xhosa community. I mean, I do have like a lot of Xhosa friends and they've never did me dirty. They've never treated me any type of way. They've never made me feel any type of way. I do apologize and I'm very sorry. I could have dealt with it in a better way. I could have just said this person or this person. You get what I'm saying? I should have never included or involved everybody. You know, I really do take accountability for things that I said, and I'm very sorry about it.